Hey everyone, Chris here with the Mind Bloom Exchange, or me, as I like to call it. Now, we are looking at the US30. I haven't touched base on US30 for a bit now. However, I have traded it quite extensively in the many, many years. Overall, I think that there's a lot of value in looking at it. It moves like no tomorrow. You can make a ton of money on it. And overall, the first things first is I need to remove some settings. I just want to remove all the clarity on there moving forward. Second thing that we have to do is moving forward here is being that this is our monthly time frame, let's just double check one thing or another and just make sure that, okay, so that's our level of support right here, 41,623. And where did the market go to? 44,061. Why am I not surprised? So uh, the fit projection tool that I use really, once you understand levels, waves, markets, can be really used to figure out your next wave on where you're going and what you're doing. Now, if we're just going a little bit more closer here, and let's just say we're saying that this market is going up for whatever reason, 47,322 is the next level up. Okay. And now if for whatever reason we break this level here at 41,008 for whatever reason, then we can go down to 38s, which is a massive drop. Probably get a lot of frustrated, angry people if it goes to 38s. Second thing that we're going to do is run our Fibonacci projection tool. But as you currently sort of see, what is the trend doing right now? Well, the trend is going up. Now, the question is, are we holding this level and dropping lower and then driving, or are we going from here and are we going to drive up to 47,000 and then correct? That we need to sort of figure out. And we can sort of do a couple things in place to do so. First things first, though, let's get into our Fibonacci tracement. I like it a lot, and I use it all the time. It's just another support and resistance level. You can look at it manually too, if that's really what you want to do. I just find it's more efficient and more effective. That's all. Next thing that we're going to throw on it is our pitchfork, right? And we are done with this level here now, or time frame, my apologies, level. We're jumping over to the weekly. Okay, so that's good there. I just want to make sure that that is good there. What we're going to do, actually, I need to, what happened? I screwed up. And like I said, I'm not perfect. I do screw up. I'm always constantly evolving as a trader. And I trade full time, and yeah, I love trading. It's the things that I truly enjoy in this world. Looking at markets, understanding them, and figuring out where they will go and what they will do next. So it looks like we are driving up, and that drive up, I'll probably say I would like to just, if we can break the 45,000 marker, it's possible, then we still have a level here at 44,760. So we still have one level to clear, and 47,751. Perfect. So that's what we're sort of seeing with this market at the moment, is possibly a drive up to here, and then from there a break off to the races, right? However, I want you to be well aware that with this weekly, I just want to do one more thing. Actually, two more things actually. I'm going to try to get into the 4-hour for you so that you can sort of have a good gauge. Okay, and now we've done our fib, and it's very easy for me to just look at the monthly and show you a monthly chart and going, yeah, it's going here, going here. It's a lot harder to do a further breakdown, further analysis on what levels this market's going to hit. And I think that that's the difference, that when you can start seeing the difference between traders is some traders, like anybody, can look at a monthly and going, yeah, it's going up, or what support and resistance is. It's a lot harder. It's a lot harder to go down to even like 5 minute and going, all right, these are the levels, is my opinion overall. The next thing that I would like to do, um, you can start seeing the difference between the traders themselves on the ones that actually know what they're talking about and the ones that are actually doing it themselves. We'll jump over. I'm going to skip daily, and we're just going to jump to 4-hour. Ah, that's what I thought. Presto bango. So we did a double top here. I'll just show you. So we hit this level here. We hit that level there. Resistance, right? We drove down to the market, went all the way up, and now boom, we hit it again. Driving back down. I wouldn't be surprised we go to these levels of 43,000, maybe. But like I said, first, I will not assume anything. My goal is to look at both sides and make sure that everything is covered on both sides overall. I like having a neutral perspective, and no, I didn't have this perspective when I first started trading. I thought I was the shit and knew everything, and in my early, like 18 to 23, 24, I did really well, but ego gets caught up, and sometimes it's being learning quite a few learning lessons that I learned along the way. What we're going to do quite simply is go there, and I am going to I figured something was going to be like, see, that's what I was sort of figuring, that this market was going to do something like that, touch the top and then drive down. And what did it do? It touched the top and drove down. Let's just make sure our levels are here, and make sure that everything is on point, right? I hate roughing things in because I want to sort of be as accurate as I possibly can be. The goal is accuracy. The goal is not estimation. So right now, currently, I'll make some levels down. It already broke this level down, but that's fine. And that level there. And then I will give you my thesis on what I think will happen, or not what will happen, but what we're seeing at this moment in time. That makes sense. Driving to here, 44,000. This is a median line. So median lines, normally what happens is the market will push off or go to it. So I'll give you an example. Let's say the market's here. The market will break and push to this median line, but once it breaks off, the correction sometimes corrects back to the median line. It's like a magnet in a way. It's a simple version of it. So I would like to assume that we need to go to 30-minute. Sorry about that. Yes, I know it's a little bit more time consuming, and etc. But I want to just be accurate with this. And right now, currently, I have some hesitancies, and that's the reason why I would like to go to a smaller time frame. And yeah, so right now it hit a projection at 44,504, which is a 30-minute. And then we going to the 44,000 marker. And then from there, you go to the 44.2 range. And then if you super extend this bad boy like that, you go to the 44,162, which I like. I'm more, I'd say biased. I have a little bias that currently right now, I know there's a whole bunch of lines here, so let's keep it super simple. From this level here, if we break 44,468, let's make this smaller. We'll drive down further. Those are the two main levels that I'm sort of seeing. Three actually. If I go like this, right? And then we'll see a drive up possibly. If for whatever reason this market can break, I personally wouldn't touch it until we break 44,708. It's just a lot of support, a lot of resistances here, so I'll just say that. I like to be safe. Maybe if you're more aggressive, awesome. But for me, safety is always better for me. So that's what I'm sort of seeing right now is if this market breaks down from 44.8, we're going to go down to 44.3, 44.2, and 44.1. And if we can drive up above 44.7, then I can see a nice drive up to 45. And then from there, 47,000, 47,000 after we go to the 45. So let's add that in there. Right. So that's what I'm currently seeing with this market at the moment. Let me know what you think. But this is my deep analysis from monthly all the way to even 30 minutes. So enjoy, like, share, comment. That's always much appreciative from my trading desk to yours. And yeah, if you have any questions or if you want me to look at something else, let me know. But overall, this is what I'm currently seeing is a further breakdown of this market. And I bet you in the 5-minute, we are probably breaking down further. So that's the assumption. And we just have to look at the levels. If each level breaks, we go to the next level. If that level breaks, we go to the next level, lower or higher. So I'm neutral with this. If we go above 44.7, we'll buy. If we go below the 44,400 range, then I'll short. Simple. So take care. Thank you very much for your time. And I will hopefully get you Doge, XRP, and hopefully Pound Odd or Euro USD as well for you right away. Take care. Have a fantastic day.